Working on some more giant paper poinsettias today. I got an order for a total of 6 poinsettias. I have 3 here and I'm going to be making 3 more. This is also for the San Diego Natural History Museum. I did make a bunch of flowers for them for their lobby, but this was supposed to be for like their holiday decoration. So we're going to be making 3 more. That's what I'll be working on today. Today is day 2 of working on these giant paper poinsettias. I have 5 ready to go and I'm making my last one today. I have all the pieces ready, so I'm going to finish up my last piece. is such a mess right now because I'm in the middle of fully refurnishing my craft room. So I'm excited for the new change, but actually right now I'm in the middle of like sorting through all my stuff, trying to reorganize because really I don't know why I'm so annoying, but I just shove everything in the moment, and then I realize like I have paper in all my cabinets, all my drawers, all my closet, and then I'm like buying more because I forget that I have them. So it's such a mess right now, but luckily I love the fact that this Cricut Joy Extra is so compact. I'm gonna just work on my coffee table. I'm actually trying to make some paper chains, so I'm gonna be working right here in my living room. I can't believe it's finally happening. I am updating my craft room, my workspace, and one of my favorite spots so far is this couch. I finally decided to kind of get a couch here so that I could have a space where I could relax and edit, or I could also have my son and my husband just relax here, play games. So I'm excited for this new corner. I had it as a blank wall so that I can style like my giant flowers, which I will have to deal with once I get there. But for now, I have a couch here, which is so nice. And I am going to try to set up a projector so I could have it projected onto a wall and have some Korean dramas or some movies in the background. So the reason why I really wanted to update my workspace was really, I just wanted it to be a little bit more functional because some of my things were just not working out. The drawers were falling apart. I didn't even really put heavy things in there, and yet it was like falling apart on the bottom. So I really wanted to get some pieces that were going to be much more solid than the ones that I had before. So I thought it was time to kind of upgrade my IKEA pieces that I had before. Even my desks, they would shake when I would shape my petals, or like when I would erase or brush anything like too hard, like my whole desk would shake. I guess my biggest pet peeve really was when I would film, it would shake my desk. I also had a monitor stand, but with my monitor on top of the stand and then on top of the desk that was shaky, anytime I shake, the whole stand and my computer would shake as well. So it was not good. I really wanted to upgrade into pieces that were going to be much more solid, and I can't believe I found all of these through Wayfair, actually. Wayfair and Article. I'm going to try to link some of the furniture pieces I got below the video, but basically I got all of them under $500 except my desk. And they were just so much more affordable than I thought because it was Black Friday deals. So if you guys are looking for furniture right now is a good time because they probably still have holiday sales. But I was so shocked because a lot of the pieces are under $500, much more affordable than I thought. And they're really solid pieces. They are not moving whatsoever. My desk is such a solid piece. That one's a little bit pricier, but I also have a table in the middle that I have where I film, and that is a solid piece too. So I am in love with it, and I can't wait to kind of show you guys once it's all finalized. I'm still trying to style some of the pieces. I don't have anything really on top of my counters. So once I have all of those styled, I'll give you guys a full tour. I am so excited to be in my new workspace, especially right here. You'll be seeing me here much more often. This is going to be the perfect place to relax. I'm going to actually take a break here right now, but I'm going to go back to styling my sideboards and show you guys what it looks like at the end. back in October, I got the opportunity to film a movie junket. I can't believe I got to do this. It was for the movie Housemaid movie with Amanda Seyfried, and basically I crafted with her, and it was such a cool experience. It was in collaboration with Cricut, and basically they had me go over there, craft with her, and yeah, I get to finally share it with you guys because it finally launched. I'm gonna be able to share the whole video with you guys and my experience. I was so nervous. I couldn't believe, like, I had a couple lines to memorize, and then once I got there, I was like so nervous, and you know, meeting a celebrity too, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so nervous right now. But yeah, we got to like make a banner, and even during the banner I was like shaking while I was trying to like string the banner together. It was, yeah, it was so fun, and actually the video turned out really good. I'm so surprised because I was shaking, my voice was shaking. Definitely check it out. I'll link the Instagram post for the movie junket below the video, but I'm also going to share it with you guys on this video here.
Good health is hard to find. Sometimes I find myself just wanting to cut the housemaid.
I can help you with that. We just need a few supplies at my Cricut Joy Extra.
Okay.
We just need to pull up the files on Cricut Design Space. So we're gonna pull this in, and then we just press click. We just peel this like this.
Oh wow.
Carefully take out the shape. And then we're gonna make it 3D. Good. We're gonna string the banner now.
Does it spell housemaid?
I hope so. This is perfect for my post-theater housemaid themed parties.
This is perfect for everything, actually. I can think of so many things I want to make now. But you're gonna clean up this mess. Right?
Okay. Find these housemaid designs on Cricut Design Space and show us what you create by tagging at Cricut and at Housemaid Movie on socials.